Kalamarakia Tiganita, or Greek fried calamari, is a beloved dish that has captured the hearts and palates of food enthusiasts worldwide. Today, we're diving into the deep blue sea of knowledge to explore unknown facts about this delicious Greek delicacy. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our culinary adventures. Let's get started. Calamari is often made from fresh, high-quality squid. It's a key ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine and can be found in various seafood dishes. While calamari is enjoyed globally, its roots are deeply embedded in Mediterranean cuisine, with Greece being one of its prominent homes. Kalamarakia Tiganita is the Greek name for fried calamari. It's a popular appetizer, typically served with a squeeze of lemon and a side of tzatziki sauce. Calamari is an integral part of Greek culinary tradition, with recipes passed down through generations, ensuring the best flavors and textures. Greek mythology intertwines with calamari. The god Poseidon, ruler of the sea, is said to have created these delectable creatures. Calamari consumption dates back to ancient Greece, as evidenced by depictions on pottery and artwork from that era. It is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways: fried, grilled, stuffed, or even added to stews and pasta dishes. It is a good source of protein, low in fat, and rich in essential nutrients like vitamins B12, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Calamari farming is an important industry, ensuring a sustainable and readily available source of this beloved seafood. The Mediterranean Sea is home to a wide variety of squid species, making it a hub for calamari production. Calamari is often enjoyed at Greek festivals and celebrations, bringing people together over good food and vibrant traditions. The secret to perfect Kalamarakia Tiganita is the seasoning, typically involving a blend of spices, including oregano and paprika. Many Greek families have their own unique recipes for Kalamarakia Tiganita, passed down from one generation to the next. Calamari is also a popular Greek street food, enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. The key to the perfect calamari is using fresh ingredients, which are readily available in coastal regions of Greece. In Greece, it's common to enjoy Kalamarakia Tiganita as part of a meze spread, which includes a variety of small, flavorful dishes. Calamari has achieved worldwide popularity, finding its way into various international cuisines and culinary adaptations. Sustainable seafood practices are becoming more important in calamari production to protect the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Kalamarakia Tiganita exemplifies the love for Greek cuisine and the vibrant flavors it brings to the table. Whether you're in Greece or anywhere in the world, Kalamarakia Tiganita is all about sharing the love for delicious food and unforgettable experiences. You can find fresh squid in many Greek seafood markets, where locals pick their own to ensure the best quality for their dishes. The Greek islands, with their stunning coastal beauty, are renowned for their exceptional calamari dishes, often paired with picturesque sea views. Greece's diverse regions offer a wide array of calamari preparations, each with its unique twists, showcasing the nation's culinary diversity. Pairing a glass of Greek wine, such as Assortiko or Retsina, with Kalamarakia Tiganita enhances the dining experience. Calamari fishing often involves nighttime excursions due to the squid's nocturnal feeding habits, making it an adventure for Greek fishermen. Traditional calamari preparation involves tenderizing the squid with a milk or yogurt marinade before the frying process. Modern culinary innovations have introduced creative calamari dishes, including calamari tacos, sandwiches, and even calamari salad. Let's go for the making process, though depends on individual preference that what spices you mixed. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, and paprika. You can also add other seasonings or herbs of your choice to enhance the flavor. Heat the oil to 350,375 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a kitchen thermometer to monitor the temperature. Carefully place a few pieces of coated calamari at a time into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2-3 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Be cautious not to overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and make the calamari less crispy. Arrange the fried calamari on a serving platter and garnish with lemon wedges. You can serve them with marinara sauce, aioli, or your preferred dipping sauce. Fried calamari is best when served hot and crispy. Enjoy your delicious homemade calamari. Calamari provides a healthy dose of essential nutrients, aiding in heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Greek festive traditions often involve throwing a feast with Kalamarakia Tiganita, reinforcing the spirit of togetherness and celebration. Many restaurants provide this dish because of its popularity. And there you have it, unknown facts about Kalamarakia Tiganita, the delightful Greek calamari. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the world of calamari. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie friends, and follow our channel for more culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us, and as they say in Greece, Kali Arexi. Bon appetit!